In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain and also install WordPress. So this is actually really straightforward and I'll be showing you how to do this on cPanel. So the first thing we need to do is just go and log into your cPanel account. Now, if you're not sure how to get to this page, you can usually do this from your web hosting. You can also just type in the name of your domain followed by a / and the word cPanel. Now, once you're on this page, you'll just need to go and sign in to your cPanel account. So once we're signed in, we're just going to scroll down until you see domains and go and click on this. We're then going to press create a new domain over in the top right hand side, and now we need to type in the subdomain that we want to create. So it needs to follow the following format. So we're going to start by typing in the word of your subdomain. So I'm just going to call this subdomain for an example. And then you need to type in your main domain name. So mine's widereachdigital.com, and it should look something similar to this. And once you've done that, make sure to uncheck the box next to shared document root. You can then just go down and press submit. Now you should be able to see your subdomain from the list. Now if we click on it at the moment, you can see it just takes us to a blank page. Now that's because we need to install WordPress to this subdomain. So if you come back over to your main cPanel homepage, we're then going to scroll all the way down to the bottom here, and you'll have this tool called WordPress Manager by Softaculous. So go and click on this. You then need to press install in the top navigation and make sure you have custom install selected. You can then click on the drop down next to your domain name, and this is where you need to select your subdomain. Also make sure this is set to HTTPS. So once you've done this, you can just scroll down to the bottom and you can go and fill out your site name and also site description. You will also need to set yourself a username and also an admin password as well. You can then scroll down to the bottom and press install. Now give that a couple of seconds while it goes and installs WordPress to your subdomain, and once it's finished, you'll be able to go and click on the admin URL and you can simply go and sign in to your WordPress dashboard. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.